Professor, I'm so sorry I'm late. Do you have any starters left?
I thought I told you the Ash kid took the last one. What the hell you doing here?
Do you have anything? I'll even take a Pidgey.
What the hell you gonna do with a Pidgey? The wind attack? What's wrong with you? Your mom single?
Yeah. Why?
Give me 1 second. Look, all I got is a Pikachu. Tell your mama to call me, all right? Just step in.
All right, let's see what we've got here.
What up, yeah? Oh, I mean, Pika.
Fuck?
Pikachu. This Pokémon has electricity storing pouches on its cheeks. These appear to become electrically charged during the night while Pikachu sleeps.
Why does my Pikachu look like that?
Some starter Pokémon are bought from the Ratchet region and as a result can be more gangsta than others. They're far less obedient but have much better battle capabilities than their Kanto counterparts.
Hey, you got a light for this?
I'm only 10!
Fucking useless.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see the next episode, hit that subscribe button because we will be releasing a new episode every Wednesday from now on. And in the meantime, if you want to have a good laugh until then, check out some of our other videos.